Beloved soul, welcome to Sanctuary Moment. Today we honor the wisdom of greens and spices, nature's quiet teachers of balance and transformation. Mint cools the mind, fennel soothes the spirits, turmeric ignites healing, and cinnamon warms the heart. Each herb and spice carries a psychology of its own, reminding us that healing is both gentle and powerful, subtle and radiant. Prepare a simple infusion. Choose one herb or spice that calls to you. As you sip, whisper gratitude for its gift. Let the mint teach clarity, turmeric teach resilience, and cinnamon teach warmth in connection. May the grains and spices of the nature bless your path with clarity, healing, and harmony. You are sanctuary, and every sip is a prayer.